Okay, sorry. So, hi, I made a previous video on Canvas. I don't know what happened exactly, so I'm going to make a video and upload it on YouTube so everybody can see it, so you might see this under my reply. My name is Brianna Park. I'm currently work as a clinical nursing instructor at Wayne Community College full-time and PRN at a wound hyperbaric and treatment center. I have 5 years of nursing experience ranging from medical surgical nursing, wound care, and education. My educational experiences, they focus on the clinical setting specifically, mostly working with students in both the inpatient setting and lab to educate and validate skill performance with both LPN and ADN nursing students. I've worked in this current position for the last year and I've gained a lot of insight into the educational realm, specifically learning how to assist students in the application of academic knowledge with clinical experiences and through evaluating and understanding of learning objectives through performance and the application of knowledge by assessing and evaluating clinical documentation. I graduated with my ADN from Wayne Community College in 2019 and with my BSN last year from UNCW in May. I have a vast amount of experience as an online learner by attending a UNCW. I attended their online RN to BSN distance education program, and before I transferred to the graduate program for the nurse educator, I previously attended another college and they use Canvas as well. So I have a lot of experience as an online learner. As a online educator, it's a little bit different. Most of my experience focuses on in-person instruction. So there I don't have much experience designing and developing aspects of online curriculums. The experience I do have providing online education involves responding to discussion boards with students and asking follow-up questions, as well as responding to reflections and providing feedback to assignments that are submitted online through documentation. I have 3 strengths. When I did my self-assessment survey, I scored intermediate on both the facilitator role and the community builder role, which highlighted my abilities to create a safe, judgment-free environment to provide feedback and facilitate learning through instruction from personal experience and academic knowledge while utilizing effective communication, even though I can't do it right now. My strengths include creating a learning environment in which students are comfortable enough to ask questions to facilitate the learning process, create an environment where students can come to me and talk about their current performance, and assisting in the identification of issues that target barriers to learning and find additional resources, and can assist students in managing their workload by providing educational resources and suggestions for time management. My lower scores, however, focused on the technical and designer roles, which I have minimal experience in. These 3 areas of improvement that I recommended were focusing and providing accessible instructional material through Canvas for student use, the utilization of the module structure in Canvas to organize course content, and the incorporation of external tools into the learning course itself. I plan to approach these areas by improvement by accessing the resources available to me through the LMS Introduction to Canvas self-paced course, which I currently reviewed and I'm enrolled in, and the Design Sandbox that will be updated weekly through our module learnings. This resource will provide me with examples and instructions on how to create and provide instructional activities and implement the use of external tools while allowing me to practice making changes and to identify how to effectively provide resources that my students can access. By looking at the DEEL, it also provides additional resources to enhance student accessibility by accessing and utilizing accessibility checkers such as the rich content editor to identify any barriers that students may have when accessing course content as well. When they're not able to do this, they won't be able to see pertinent information that can help them complete tasks such as pertinent links, instructions, and rubrics that can be embedded into the course. Besides that, things that bring me joy are my family outside of my nursing career. I have a husband of 9 years, 2 younger boys, ages 3 and 7. They keep me busy with baseball right now. We like to go camping and swimming. I also enjoy reading, and I have 2 dogs that keep me busy. Their names are Luke and Lady, and they're Australian Shepherds. And then I also like making silly videos with my 8 chickens. So I'm glad to meet you all. I'm sorry about my first video. I'm about to upload this one, and I can't wait to work with you some more.